spot to live because it's beautiful and it has many things to do.
We are in nature, no matter where you are. You can step out of your back door, and I don't care where you live in West Grey, and you can step into nature here.
Agriculture is a great basis for this area. There's lots of good farmland as far as crops. I know that some of the settlers must have had a lot of work clearing trees and stones in this area, but it's turned it into quite prosperous farmland.
And a huge woodworking industries as well too.
Durham Furniture has been here since 1899. Right now, Durham Furniture currently employs close to 200 employees. I think West Grey is a phenomenal place. I mean, like I said, the people here know one thing, and that's to make quality bedroom furniture. So we have a good workforce. We're very, very close to our raw material markets, and we're very, very close to some of our major retailers. It is local employees and local people that have supported this in our ongoing efforts here at Durham Furniture to make it successful.
The medical care here in West Grey is equal to or better than you'd find anywhere else. This hospital is actually a good size for a rural community. We have 10 patient beds. We have a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week emergency room department, and we're associated with a clinic that's staffed by 7 full-time physicians, a nurse practitioner, and also is home to the Brockton and area family health team. Anybody living in or moving to West Grey is sure to get top medical care with peace of mind.
It's a quiet rural community, but there is this undercurrent of creative, artistic, cultural endeavor that flows like a river. And I can leap into that river and be a part of it and be stimulated by it, yes.
Everything from painters, sculptors, craft and media artists, comedians, poets, musicians, and even actors. There are all kinds of events that take place every year. The gallery hosts the Words Aloud Spoken Word Festival.
I just released a book in May. It's a little book.
We also offer film screenings, music performances, art lectures, workshops, you name it.
And it's been a great place to raise our children. It's safe and it nurtures their soul and their spirit, and it just makes a wonderful place to bring a family up.
It's an absolute excellent place to raise a family. We've got a quality education system here. You've got a quality of life, and I guess on how to have our kids raised and be part of a community, and that's maybe the biggest thing that I'll always come back to is the community.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
about West Grey is the people. Everybody is so friendly.
Fantastic place. Nice place to spend the winter. Snowmobiling, skiing, snowshoeing, lots of outdoor sports, lots of fishing.
Absolutely greatest people you'd ever want to meet. Very, very friendly.
West Grey is quiet, it's got beautiful scenery, it's got space, it's got nature.
Fantastic people. I don't know what else to say about it. It's just a great place to live. Come on up. Stay a while.
No better place to come home to than West Grey.